Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Fontes, your local realtor here in Los Angeles County. Today I'm excited to bring you a market update for March 2024. So let's dive right in. Currently we are seeing 1.9 months supply of inventory in the market. This means that if no new homes were listed, it would take 1.9 months to sell all the homes currently on the market. And over the last 12 months, we've seen a decrease of 7.77% in months supply of inventory. The list to sold price percentage is sitting at 100.8%. This is great news for sellers, and it shows that homes are selling for very close to what their list price is. The median days on market is just 17 days. This means that homes are selling quickly in our area, so if you're a seller, now may be a great time to list your home. And finally, the median sold price in Los Angeles County is currently $862,500. This is a strong indicator of the current market value of homes in our area. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, these market updates are crucial in helping you make informed decisions. If you have any questions or are thinking about buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you navigate the real estate market in Los Angeles County. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next update.